Hello, in this video, we are going to go over how to enter a new client into Doulado. So from the Clients tab, we're going to click on New Client, and a new window is going to pop up. And as you can see, it's got 5 different pages where we're going to enter different information. All of the fields that are marked with an asterisk are going to be required. So let's go ahead and just enter in some information. And it's going to have you enter in first name, last name, email address, phone number, and status. If you enter in an email address in here, this is going to be the primary point of contact for your client. So all of your calendar reminders, any kinds of updates, this is the email address that it's going to use to send all of your forms and documents and things like that. So on the next screen, you have the option to enter in their birth date, their sex, their pronouns, and you have the option to send them an invite to the client portal immediately. Keep in mind that if you choose to send them an invite to the client portal, but you haven't put an email address in there, it's going to error out. So we'll select not send it right this second. On the third step is going to be for their address, city, state, zip, all that good stuff, and you can select their time zone as well. Number 4 is going to be for a contact. This can be for partner, spouse, family member. Really, you can use it however you want. I personally like to use it to collect an additional point of contact for my clients, just in the event of I'm not able to get a hold of my client. So on the 5th one, you'll select any labels that are going to be associated with this client. So if they're wanting birth services, postpartum services, you can really create labels to tailor the services that you offer in your practice. And in another video, we'll show you how to create new labels. So we'll enter in the baby's estimated due date. And then if you want to enter any notes in here, this will show up in the client profile, and I'll show you where. Give me just 1 second. We'll go ahead and save it. So now the note that I entered into that client profile shows up right down here in the timeline. Pretty simple, guys. Nice and easy. Have a good day.